the bubble park.
And I do too. Pupstruction! You saved the day again. You turned something that could have been a big problem into big fun!
We're always ready to help.
That's good, because I've got one more job for you. Can you rehang?